Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If Marvel Rivals is lagging or suffering from low FPS, here's how to boost performance and enjoy smooth gameplay. First, adjust your in-game settings. Open the settings menu, go to graphics and lower options like texture quality, shadows and anti-aliasing. Set them to low or medium for better FPS. Next, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Open Settings to System to Display and then Graphics Settings and turn this option on. Restart your PC afterwards. Also, update your GPU drivers for NVIDIA. Open GeForce Experience and install the latest version drivers. For AMD, use Adrenal software to stay up to date. Close background apps using Task Manager to free up CPU and RAM, and tasks like browser or streaming apps that consume resources. Finally, use a performance booster app like Razer Cortex or MSI Afterburn can optimize your PC for gaming and help reduce lag. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Like, share and subscribe for more performance fixes.